What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 right after this.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know.
Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. All right, so just got this in the mail today. The Galaxy Tab S8. Now this is the base. It also comes in the Galaxy S8 Plus and the Galaxy S8 Ultra. So today we're going to be looking at the regular S8. I'm going to see what comes in the box. I'm going to see how it looks. And then I'm also going to do a quick comparison between this and the Galaxy Tab S7. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and get into the box. So the first thing I recognize is the box is extra small. So you can tell there's absolutely nothing in here but the tablet and the cord. So if you look at this box, compared to last year's box, you can see the difference. That's that. Everybody going to that Apple approach of not including anything in the box other than the device itself. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Now, when I saw the S7 last year, I crowned it as the best display I've ever seen on any device. So we're gonna see if the S8 can keep that crown. So as you can see here, you have the nice little Samsung presentation. You see Samsung on your cloth wrap. And I can already tell that the device feels premium. It feels sturdy. Feels really similar to the S7, which, like I said, was one of my favorite devices last year. Now, unlike the iPad, the S8 and the S7 both came with the pen. So that's a great feature. You have your charging cable. This seems like it's a lot longer than normal, but it's your USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Got your quick start guide. Now this is the graphite gray, pretty much the same exact size. They're both 11 inches. The bottom of the device, as you can see here, let's see if I get that in focus. Both the same on the bottom. You both have your contact pins on the side for attaching a keyboard. They pretty much look identical. If you look at the button placement for the power and the volume rocker on the S8 is a little wider, and on the back, identical. Same camera setup, same pin charger, and they're both tuned with AKG. All right, so let's go ahead and power this up for the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and power up the S7 so I can get a comparison between the two screens. All right, so upon a little bit further inspection, the S8 slightly thinner than the S7, which I think was almost impossible because the S7 was already thin. But let me see if I can get you a better shot of the slight difference between the S7 and the S8. I'm actually in the process of doing a smart switch, so I'm pretty much copying all my data from the S7 to the S8. And with the smart switch program, Samsung makes it really easy to do this. So while that's updating, I'm going to talk briefly about Samsung versus Apple, S8 versus iPad Pro. And as far as consuming media, I would go with the Samsung all day long because, like I said, the screen is superior to any device I've seen, and that's counting the iPad Pro. So if you're using it strictly for media consumption, you know, Facebook, social media, things like that, I would go with the Samsung all day. Now, if you're looking to do any type of productivity work, I probably would lean towards the iPad strictly because of the App Store, because you have a better variety of productivity apps that are made strictly for the iPad versus the Samsung ecosystem, where a lot of the apps that you're using are just pretty much phone apps that are blown up, sometimes blown up. Sometimes you only see the little small window on your iPad. I mean, sometimes you only see the little small window on your tablet. So as far as productivity, definitely would lean towards the iPad. Media consumption, social media, I will give the nod to the Samsung. So it looked like it's finishing up. All right, so they're both done with the data transfer. And let's see if I can see how fast they load apps. So let me find YouTube. All right, so we got YouTube here and YouTube here. I'm gonna try to hit them at the same time. Okay, so the S7 was a little bit faster, but that's because I'm not signed in. So, all right, so I got them up, queued up, both with the same video. I'm gonna hit play and see which one launches first.
What's up, people? Today we're going to be doing the 2022 version of my man cave tour. Right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content.
All right, so now I got both the videos playing side by side, and I'm looking to see if I see any difference. And I'm actually kind of surprised, because I thought I was not going to be able to see a difference, because like I said, they both are high quality screens, but the S8 looks a tad bit sharper to me. So I have them both set to full brightness. I have them both set to 1080p, and I'm a little bit surprised that the S8 looks a little bit better. I thought I was not going to be able to see a difference on, but I could tell that the S8 is a little sharper, and for some reason it looks a little darker in certain areas. So like the dark areas are not as washed out as on the S7. I mean, again, they both look great, but the S8 slightly better. Now, as far as speed, they both were pretty much the same speed when it came to opening up the app and launching the video. So it was pretty close there, but as far as the video quality, a little bit better on the S8. And also, from listening to the sound coming out of both of them, the sounds sound similar, so no big difference there. Only thing that I've noticed so far is the S7 is a little thicker, and the deep colors like the blacks and the colors are a little bit richer on the S8. Not saying the S7 is bad, because that's still one of my favorite displays, but the crown to my favorite display now has to go to the S8. And this is the base version, so I can only imagine how the screen will look on the S8 Ultra or the S8 Plus. It probably will be even better than this. So last comparison real quick before we go is the pens, and they're pretty much identical. These pens, unlike the iPad pencil or the Apple Pencil, these pens seem to be fully passive, because I could use the S8 pen on the S7, the S7 pen on the S8. No Bluetooth pairing or anything like that. All right, that's it. So I want to thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions about the S8, please don't hesitate to drop them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to them. Also, I have the Amazon link down in the description if you want to check out what the pricing is. Anytime you click on one of those links, it helps out the channel, so I appreciate y'all. And like I said, if I have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thank y'all for watching. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.